Hi, in this video I want to try to find out what's going on with this LED light bar for my aquarium. I'll plug it in real quick, show you what's happening. I switch it on and it just strobes. It's like 3 LEDs are constantly lit, maybe 4, but otherwise it just strobes and strobes and strobes, and that's it. And I don't want to give my fish an epileptic seizure, so let's try to figure out what's going on here. So I figured first, probably a good idea to check this power supply. It's supposed to be 12 volts DC, center positive. And I'll turn the switch on. 10.1 volts. Looks like that's probably the issue right there. So let me see if I can find another power supply real quick. Well, the original power supply is 12 volts at half an amp, and I found this one probably went to a CD burner or something. 12 volts, 3/4 of an amp. It's got a very similar tip. So let's try this one out. First I want to measure the voltage. See if this adapter is even any good. And it says center is positive on this also. We're getting kind of jumping around 16.29. So it looks like a non-regulated power supply. But I mean, the LED light's not working currently in its current state, so if it blows up, oh well. Give this a try. Oh! Well, it flashed extremely bright and then quit. I might have just blown it. Oh no, it's the adapter. Barrel adapter doesn't quite fit. And look, it works perfect. Yep. So it was definitely a power supply issue. That's awesome. I just need to... I'll probably cut the old end off of the original adapter since it fit perfect. And it has this nice little inline switch. So I'll get on that. I'll just verify that the cord marked with the line is indeed positive. I like to double check. So I'll just skin one back for now. Test the continuity between the middle pin. Oh, switch again. Yep. Alright. So the identified cable is indeed positive. And for the power supply, same thing. One of them is marked and the other one just has text. I'll verify that that's the positive. And let's see, put it in voltage mode. So, yep, this would be negative and that would be positive. And yep, it's saying 16 volts again. So the identified cable is positive for this too. Figured out to use my homemade solder pot to go ahead and tin the leads. Plus I wanted to time it to see how long it took to fully melt what was already in there. And it took about 6 minutes. So that ain't too bad as long as you don't need it right away and can kind of plan ahead when you're going to use it. I can deal with 6 minutes. I have it sitting on a silicone mat made for soldering pretty much because the plastic casing does get rather hot. I'm thinking about kind of making my own silicone, I guess, mold kind of thing to go around it. But I haven't got around to picking up some silicone yet. So let's see here. I guess I kind of scrape off the top. Yeah, I don't know. I'll find a better tool for the job later. Just got this old flux paste kind, and kind of just dip the wire into here, and then bam, bam. That was easy. And for the other half, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. Alright, I just soldered the leads together, put on some heat shrink. Let's test it out. Got the switch on. Bam! Now it fits perfect every time, and got the switch, so that was successfully repaired. Pretty damn easy. Thanks for watching.